Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We still haven't managed to break the car out of the yard because the road hasn't been plowed yet. Actually, I can't tell. It looks like maybe they came in the night. I didn't hear the truck go by. Is it? I can't tell. It's all white on white. I can't tell. No, hasn't been, because otherwise... What? I don't know. Anyway. So, we can't get out yet. Or if we can, it came in the night. But since it's all white, I can't see anything. And it's snowing harder again. So, I mean, it's really coming down. I don't know if the camera can do that justice. It's sad that the cameras don't show you what your eyes see. But it's snowing hard. And all our pathways are filling up. We've got a good inch of snow already. Came down. And last I saw, they're predicting 6 inches, but that could have changed because that was a few days ago when I looked. The rate it's coming down right now, that's heavy. That's coming down heavy. So I guess we'll see what we got today. We're not going to get out of this property for a while, I think. How weird. It was calm, it was quiet, it was beautiful. Look at it blowing. I don't know if the camera can show. We might be in trouble. We still haven't got the car out. Look at that. Can you see the wind swirling? Wow. All of a sudden, just a minute ago I was going to grab the camera and show you how clear and beautiful it was. All of a sudden, we just picked up this major snowstorm. It's a whiteout. You can't see past the truck out there. Wow. And we were just finally clearing out the pathways again from the previous morning's snow. It's really coming down. Look at it blowing. Well, we'll see how it goes, guys. I was just telling Melanie the old saying that April showers bring May flowers. Well, I don't think we're going to see flowers anytime soon. Well, this I had knocked off, so that's was melting what we received today. I believe it was a couple inches today in all, because it's melting now. But I protected the wood pile. We're still burning on what I had harvested the other day, but about 2 more days and we're out. Been shoveling. You can see the sun is melting the snow as we go. I've been shoveling all day. Well, Melanie and I. Oh, it's still snowing on and off though. It's still coming down, so I don't think it's over yet. I guess we'll see, but that's pretty much probably all we're gonna get now. Not that bad today. Gotta feed the little birdies. Yeah, I come out and start shoveling and it starts really coming down hard again, and the wind is cold. Look at this, guys. -8 degrees. And that's April 8th. It's 7:30, not 6:30. The 8th of April, -8 degrees. How insane is that? Last year at this time we were running around in light jacket in the mornings and t-shirts in the day and had only occasional heat, and we've been burning firewood straight through non-stop this year. Really, really weird this year. Well, is it over? It was snowing this morning some more. You can hear the cold. You know it's cold when it crunches. Really cold. Should be some good solar power today. I gotta trim that tree back. The birds are out happily eating. Boy, the sun is blinding me. I broke through here I keep pausing because I'm sneezing from the sun in my eyes. Anybody else have that problem? The sun in my eyes makes me sneeze. It's weird. So the snowplow had come through the other day when I was recording. And it's greatly diminished in height and depth, but I waited. I had to break through. Hold on, I'm going to sneeze again. Isn't that weird? Bright light makes me sneeze. Very, very weird. Always has been. So I had to break through here. The pufferball. You're such a lovey thing. Poor thing has no, his sibling is gone. We did get him in last night briefly, and he was happy in the house. But he is an outdoor cat, and that's his preference. That's his choice. But we did have him in for a little while, and he had some loving. And then he went back out. But he's still semi-wild. I mean, you can see he's lovey here, but he's still semi-wild. And you don't force a half-wild cat into the house. You know, sometimes he's flighty and scared of us. If there's two of us at one time, he's afraid. So that's why he's probably terrified in the house. There's too much in there. Anyway, so the snowplow had buried us back in after I had shoveled us out. Well, most of the way out. I wasn't completely through. And this was about a foot deep. And it froze. And so I couldn't get out. So what I did is I warmed up the car, and then it's not the best thing to do for the car, but it wasn't as deep yesterday as you can see now. And I broke through with the car and ran back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then I was able to shovel it out. But I finally got out. This is the first time we've been out since snow started Monday night. And this is Sunday. So we've been snowed in for a week. What a crazy thing in April. And they said it's not over. There's more snow to come. They say we could get snowstorms as far as the end of April this year. Spring won't start till May this year. By the way, a lot of people talk about planting. They say do not even consider, well, hello, but they said don't even consider planting right now. Not an option. Hi everybody, Troy, Melanie, Michelle from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We got a package in the mail today for us, I believe. Us?
Yeah.
You? Do you need a thing?
You need? No.
Okay.
Yes, I need.
Yes?
Yes, I need.
Actually, I think there's a zipper. Yeah, it's cool.
Michelle, no, get this stuff.
Oh! Well, I think I can guess who that's for. Oh, those are nice feeling. Oh, that's Melanie size. Look at that, huh? That's a 3. That's a Melanie size boot.
Yeah.
Those are nice looking. Those are heavy, heavy, heavy boots.
Oh, this is a lot of stuff.
You can use them fishing and wading. Oh, butterflies. Pretty little I don't know. We'll have to show you this stuff up close later.
And this one.
These are all jewelry findings.
Oh, look at that.
For those of you who don't know, I worked in the fashion district in New York City, Manhattan, for a while, and I dealt with this stuff. That's why I find this stuff exciting. I worked for a company.
Let's see. A horse.
So these are all jewelry findings and charms.
There's the leaves.
Actually, so far,
look at it.
charms,
Look
all
at
charms. That's
for holding
clips.
The clips. That's a lot.
Clips.
It's all clips. Robin.
Wow, there's a lot. Charms.
Fish.
Fishies, rabbits, butterflies, butterflies, cool, grass butterflies, little dolphins. There's a design. There's some
Oh, look at
peeps.
here.
Oh, there's your There's a lot. Little birds.
Oh.
Okay, some circles. No, it's class for necklace. Little stars. Right, look at those crosses. Knots. Angels. Wow, none of these. Melanie's got a lot of jewelry to play with. This is great. More
look
crosses.
at this.
Oh, those are pretty. We'll show you these up close. There's all kinds of really nice. I don't know if it shows up. We're gonna have to show you all this up close.
Look hat. What? Small hat.
Oh, it's a hat. A cowboy hat.
Horse.
Little horses. That's horseshoes. Fine with something else. We have all the light on our face so you can see us well, but it sort of blinds us a little bit in a way. Well, those are hearts, really neat hearts, elaborate hearts. Horseshoes, different kind of horseshoe.
Michelle wants too.
Michelle, do you want some? Oh, that's
Look,
a
the elephant.
horse.
There's the elephant.
I'm sure it's a pattern. Nice backings. We'll put these all on the table and we'll do an overall. Oh, those are pretty.
Ooh, look at that. That's pretty.
Those are really pretty. It's a set of earrings. We'll put all this on the table for you all to see later.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh, and everybody wants to get their baby cat fixed. She's still alive and well. Baby cat is very healthy. She's mellowing out though. She doesn't growl as much. She's been a growly cat all of her life, but she's mellowing out. I think she's 7 or 8 now. I'm not sure if it's 7 or 8. But, oh, there's the baby cat we all know. Growly cat. Huh? And the growly cat. She's accepting Melanie, finally.
We're friends now. Our friend.
Yeah, it took 2 years, but she's accepting Melanie. And doesn't want to bite her face off. That's nice to have a cat that doesn't want to eat your face off, right, Fuzzy? Huh? She's terrified of Michelle, though. But she's interested in the box right now. Turn her sideways. I think Melanie's got some fishing boots. I've got my waders and she's got her fishing boots now. Those are really nice. They fit right, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That, I think that's going to be part of our fishing gear for you, Melanie. So you don't have to get your feet wet when we go in getting the big fish.
Yep.
And there's all the stuff Melanie got in the package there. All kinds of nice things. She's excited. She loves doing jewelry, crafting. I'm going to get her an eBay account. We haven't done it yet, but I'm going to get her an eBay account, her own PayPal. And she's going to start buying jewelry findings. This one's really pretty. Oh, and then the colorful butterflies. See, there's different colors. Different colored butterflies. Well, there you go, guys. Nice package for Melanie. So Melanie wanted me to show you guys this. Okay, what do we got here, Melanie?
This one we call in the Philippines patula. And you can eat that when it's young, but when it's old already, you can use that for scrubber when you are in the shower.
And that's what I know from the bathroom. I didn't know that was a vegetable. I thought it was a sea sponge.
Vegetable.
And what are we doing with this here?
That's we call opo. And that is like a white squash.
Okay. Melanie picked these up herself yesterday. Well guys, there's a 6-card mining rig I just finished putting together today. You know, I don't even mess with prettying up the wires. In the beginning I was thinking I'm going to have beautiful wires and tie down and nice looking, but in the end when you're swapping out these risers, you just don't care anymore. You just want to get them put together and have it quick fix when you're done. You slap them out, slap them back together and get them running because time is money. So there's no prettying up these wires in my mining rigs. Some people might argue, some people might do it different, but I don't have time for playing games. I have 12 computers running right now and there's just no time. If something goes down, these here are what fails, these risers quite often, and you just don't have time for that. So there's a rig ready to go into its final home.